channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We're getting a big snake. Stop it now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that is what you're looking for, you should go ahead and subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy to have you back. Today I'm collabing with Persephone. I have collabed with Persephone multiple times, and I have purchased Persephone wigs multiple times. The full playlist is down below and you can check them out. I get my Persephone wigs from Amazon. They were so kind to send me this wig, and it comes, all of the clips of me getting it together and everything will be after this. And it comes in the Persephone packaging, and it also came with another bag, a wig cap. I have her in the color 1B/30, and she is $32.99. Let's talk about her.
Talk amongst yourselves.
She's marketed as a wig. I just looked it up. She is marketed as a wig. I want to say she's actually more of a half wig. I guess she could be a wig for some people, but this is a small wig cap. So this is where the front of the wig is sitting. So from here to here, it's quite small. Now from here to here, it's not necessarily like I tightened it a little bit. I love these curls / like dreadlocks. They feel amazing. They do feel amazing. I made her into a headband wig because, like, if you can see, she's sitting back quite far, and she wants to sit back quite far. Luckily, I have some of my natural hair coming through and not just the blonde, so I was able to just do one of these dealios. I like what's going on with the curls. I feel like I would want to play with it, maybe piece out some of them, cut this a little bit to shape it to my face and my head, but I know I'm not going to keep this wig, so I thought about maybe doing that. But this is just like straight out of the pack. What you can do with it, like I said, I made it into a headband wig, but I don't want to mess with this too much because I want to sell this to somebody who can then customize it for them. Let's look at her from the back. Like, she looks so cute from the back. Movement is good. It's a very thick, full wig. It does feel quite quality. Just know that it might be a smaller wig cap. I know a lot of the people that watch this channel often comment that they can't find smaller wig caps, so that's a plus for them. And yeah, I have purchased many wigs from Persephone. I have received many wigs in PR, but I have never had an issue with most of them. If I did, I was honest in my review. This one, I don't have an issue with it. It's a great... It feels, I can't stop because it feels amazing. I feel like this is a really quality wig, and I think you would be happy with it knowing some of those parameters. And so that's how I feel. If this is a style you're looking for, especially if you're in need of a smaller wig cap, I think this would be perfect for you. That's what I have for you today. I want to thank Persephone for collabing with me. And if there's another Persephone wig you would like me to review, please check out the playlist. And if it's not in there, go ahead and put it down below. If you have any thoughts or comments about this wig, go ahead and put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video.
I wanna know what you dream about at night. Will be in my imagination. imagination.